This morning, we're talking about the birds and the bees and the butterflies and how you can plant a garden that will attract all of them. Antonio Valente is here with how to help your garden attract pollinators. Welcome.
Thanks, Anne-Marie.
All right, why do we need to be planting these in particular?
Yeah, well, bees are our most important pollinator. And recent studies have shown that bee populations are on the decline. So, if we can plant some of these things in our garden, why not? Why not give them a hand?
Because there'll be a lot of people who say, I don't want bees in my yard.
Yeah, no, you know what, Anne-Marie, like I was just saying to you before the commercial break, I'm literally surrounded by bees every day, and I haven't been stung once.
And not all bees sting.
And not all bees sting, apparently, yeah.
All right, so we're going to walk through some of these beautiful flowers. What's this first one?
Okay, so this is buddleia, more commonly known as butterfly bush.
Nice.
And it smells amazing if you want to, yeah. And it is a total magnet for butterflies.
Any kind of butterfly?
And yes, monarchs especially, swallowtails. But at this time of the year, fully in bloom. The nice thing about these is once upon a time, they only came as like large 5-foot plants.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they've now bred them to be smaller like this so that even, urban gardens can have a little bit of room for some buddleia.
They are beautiful color and I imagine easy maintenance.
Yeah, oh yeah, low maintenance. And you just gotta give it a good haircut in the spring and it'll come out with a new flush of flowers. Yeah, just the other...
In case you have an emergency, you might want to put these in your garden.
It's a bee emergency.
This is echinacea, which I recognize from the front of cough drops.
Yes, echinacea.
And what is this good for?
This is good for butterflies. Drought tolerant, low maintenance flower, really easy to grow. And this is sort of the traditional purple, but hybridizers have really gone to town with this, and it's now available even in orange and yellows and whites. It's a perennial, so it'll come back every year.
It's beautiful color.
It will be bigger and better each season.
All right, those two are easy ones. What is this pretty flower?
Okay, so this delicate little thing is scabiosa.
It sounds like something from Hogwarts.
A Harry Potter spell?
It does, scabiosa.
And butterflies and bees both love it. Super pretty. The only thing you gotta keep doing is as the flowers are spent or finished, just go in and deadhead them. And we've done that before on the show. So you're just gonna take off the dead flowers, and that just keeps the plant productive.
And can these all be planted together?
Oh, yes. These would be great companion flowers. And that's the thing. I don't want viewers to go home and think that they need to plant an entire butterfly garden.
Right.
But just, think of incorporating some of these items in your existing garden just to give the bees and the butterflies a little bit of a hand.
All right, what is this tall beauty?
Okay, so this is a native Canadian wildflower. It is Joe Pyeweed. And
what a great name, Joe Pyeweed.
And it is just about to burst into bloom. Unfortunately, it wasn't in bloom for today's show.
But even the stalks are a beautiful color.
It's beautiful, has an amazing sort of light vanilla scent. And again, covered in bees and butterflies in the next couple days.
I want to move along because we've got so many other great options here. What are these two? Okay,
so this is Monarda bee balm. Not in bloom today. I couldn't find one that was in bloom, but hummingbirds also love this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so really fun to watch hummingbirds go in and out of this when it's blooming. And this here is an aster. Okay, this is also a native Canadian wildflower.
Gorgeous color.
Yeah, blooms in the latter half of the summer. Again, both bees and butterflies are gonna absolutely love asters. And you'll notice the label here.
Yes.
A lot of the garden centers now are doing this.
Oh, to show they're bee-friendly.
Yeah, bee-friendly. So take a look at that when you're looking specifically for bee-friendly plants at your garden center.
Love it.
Super.
This one I recognize. This is lavender. It's
everybody
so beautiful.
loves lavender. I mean, and it smells amazing.
Always.
And the bees love it just as much as we do.
Oh, it smells so good.
A perennial, so it's gonna get bigger and better each year.
And it fills out your garden so beautifully and still looks elegant.
Yep.
Now, these aren't sunflowers, I know, but they sure look like them.
Yeah, this is Black-Eyed Susan or Rudbeckia. Another drought-tolerant, easy care flower. Will come back year after year. Bees and butterflies both love it.
Well, now you have it. Now you know how to plant a bee, butterfly-friendly garden. Thank you so much.
Totally. Thanks, Anne-Marie.
Bee-friendly, everybody. We'll be right back.